We'll demonstrate open chain stitch. It has some similarity to chain stitch. Difference is each ring-shaped stitch is not completely closed, has an opening, while chain stitch is completely locked. Let me demonstrate. We can see this line below. One end is closed, one end has an opening. First embroider from opening end. Come up from above. Take down below it. Angle needle out diagonally upper right. Wrap thread behind needle. Push needle upward. Pull thread. Forming a locked state. Take down vertically below exit point. Angle needle out diagonally upper right. Each time angling out must be at horizontal and vertical intersection. Wrap thread behind needle and push upward. Pull thread. Let me demonstrate again. Cannot take down directly like this. Must drop needle into loop. Take down. This way can form locked state. If dropping outside loop, it won't lock, so must drop inside loop. When taking down, can loosen loop a bit. Don't pull too tight, keep tension balanced. Otherwise inconvenient to take down. Needle must always take down in loop. Cannot take down outside loop. Otherwise won't form interlocking chain shape. Also come up diagonally above. Each time ensure thread wraps behind needle. Open chain stitch shape is rectangular. Usually I use it for edge decoration or pattern decoration. Can achieve great effects. Use needle to adjust slightly. To make shape more attractive, take down close to outer edge. Lock top. Bottom is same, take down close to outer edge. Be careful not to pull too tight. Use needle to adjust slightly. Let's see the finished overall effect.